Make hot water wherever you have sun.
It's a great thing to have on hand for whatever circumstance.
You want to draw as little attention to yourself as possible. No electricity required.
How is heated up right from the sun? That's amazing.
This is the Sun Kettle.
Called the Sun Kettle.
This is the Sun Kettle.
I'm sitting out here with my Sun Kettle.
Life-saving boiling water using only the power of the sun.
It's pretty chilly out here. It's only in the 50s. It's 199.
Put the water in it, put it outside, put the stand on it, put it in a big mug that I was going to be using to make some hot chocolate, and it was steaming.
Clean, boiling water, ready for any number of uses.
And I'm gonna actually use it to cook. And I did it for free in the sun with my Sun Kettle.
Even throw a few hot dogs in the kettle.
The Sun Kettle, it's great for camping. You know, if you can set it up before you leave, and come back and have hot water, it's nice.
This thing is built like a tank.
And I was surprised about how durable it was. Very sturdy, very solid.
4 points of contact, so you don't have to worry about tips and spills.
You can just take this anywhere. Oh my gosh.
You don't have to worry about tips and spills.
That was really dumb.
Having it for emergencies is just, I would say it's definitely something you want to have on hand. It's worth the money.
Again, the Sun Kettle, I think, is great. I bought 3 more for my kids, so.
I can think of a number of times when I was in the SEAL teams that I would have given my right arm to have one of these.
You should really take a look at this. It's a great product.
It's worth getting it.
So, cheers. And this is called the Sun Kettle. And enjoy it.